Okay, y'all, so it is actually days later. Before I show you guys the pieces that I picked up from Target, we're gonna jump into this hair review from Nadula. Thank you so much, Nadula, for sponsoring this video.
Någonting av det jag har sagt, men om du låter mig förklara har vi I alla fall försökt ge dig en chans.
I have the hair on and I am melting. Let's see how good the lace looks. What do we think? What do we think? I think it looks so good. Really cute. So with this unit, first of all, it's really long. Look, really long. You can wear this in a ponytail. If you want to do half up, half down. I also glued this unit down because I'm wearing it this weekend because I have a family reunion, and I do plan on wearing my hair like this, half up, half down. I just think it looks so cute like that. Let me see if I got a little ponytail holder in here. Do I? No, I don't have one right now, but half up, half down. Really cute, right? We love. So cute. Everybody's gonna think this is my hair. And I ain't gonna say yes or no, okay? But look, how cute. You can wear it in a full ponytail because of the non-slip band in the back. But you would have to fix your hair back there. So this is how it would look, like this. If you want to do a full ponytail, you would have to just make sure everything is down in the back. But that's why I like the non-slip band that comes on the back of it, because it prevents it from moving everywhere. So we love that. Do it like that. You can do a high pony. If you wanted it a little higher, you could still do that. Side ponytail. What y'all trying to do? Of course, you can do middle part, side part. There's just so many different ways that you can wear this hair, which I love. You have nice parting space. Y'all already know my struggle with me trying to part this hair in the middle. I just, I struggle with it so bad. I don't know what it is. It's like, to me, in person, it looks straight. But then when I look at it on camera, like after I edit, I'm like, girl, that ain't straight. That ain't it. So I don't know. Let me just show y'all, you can do middle part and it still looks really cute, but we're gonna style this with a side part. Just because I don't wanna look at my part being crooked. Okay, so this is nice and high. Oh, let me put some heat protectant. Of course. Nice and shiny. I'm flat ironing this on 450. So if you're worried about the temperature on the hair, because it is human hair, but I have had people ask me what's the highest heat the hair can take, and again, you don't have to worry about that. So natural. Alright y'all, and this is how the hair looks. I know how much you guys love this unit, so I will have all the information along with the discount code in the description box below.